Hey guys, welcome back, and today we are going to be making our own advent calendar. Hope you enjoy! We'll need these pop-out boxes, cardboard or paperwork. You will also need string or yarn and ribbon. I'm going to decorate mine with these stick-on gems. You will also need paintbrushes. I'm going to be using acrylic paint. Make sure you use paint that doesn't need water mixed in, just normal paintbrushes. You will still need water to clean your brushes. Make sure it's not watercolors or anything like that. Start by taking your box and start folding it up. Make sure that the two flaps are over small flaps and fold it in. It may take a bit of work, but the result will look good. I'm going to be using a dark green and also a dark red. I'm going to make the inside green and the outside red. Make sure you do the lighter color first and then go over with a red color. I like acrylic paints because they're easy to use, they dry quick, and you only need to do one layer instead of two. Now I'm going to use my sticky gems and make a tree formation. This is what my painted box looks like. Don't worry about leaving white bits, it's fine. I'm going to paint the bottom later off camera. Now take your ribbon and tie it round your box, like shown, and then put your string over the knot, and then tie a ribbon. Make sure you put the gift or whatever in the box before you tied the ribbon up. The reason we put the string in was so that when you want to open the gift, the whole box will fall off the line, making it easier to count the days down. Each time, put the string in the ribbon when you make each of your 24 other boxes. That way, you can hang them all up above your bed. Here is my final result. I did 5 different colors, 5 of each color, and it looks pretty good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!